Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete search history on YouTube. First thing you want to do, you want to launch the YouTube app. Then you want to click on the lower right corner where you see your profile picture and it says you. You click on it, then you want to scroll all the way to the top and you click on the gear icon on the right side. When you're on this menu, this time around we're going to click on the section that it says manage all history. You click on manage all history and here you will be able to find your search history by date and you will be able to see do you actually opt in or opt out for auto deletion. Let's click on saving your YouTube history. This particular menu will let you simply to on or off what YouTube history actually saves from your activities using the app. Let's see what is currently opt in. Currently, YouTube is saving all the videos that you previously watched. Do you want to keep that? You can click no, right? You can do so. You can pause the YouTube history and stop saving what videos you've watched. The second option over here is that YouTube save all your searches. Everything that you type on search queries will be saved up over here. The last option is YouTube will save voice and audio activity. This is very important, and here you can actually turn this off. If you click on turn off, you will pause YouTube history and limit or disable all the experiences that currently are saved up in the YouTube history. Like we all saw, all the videos we watch, all the search terms that you're typing in the search queries, all the voice or sound that you're using. You can all delete this one, clicking on auto delete underneath. But if you didn't actually use it, you can simply turn it off on top. The next thing I want to show you, if you go back on the previous menu, over here on manage activity and history, you will see that you can go and individually find, clicking on the calendar on the left side, close to the magnifying glass, you can go and search individually for date, month or year when you actually did watch videos, did search for particular items on the search bar, and delete your history in this way. The third option, of course, is to simply scroll down and click on the X sign individually day by day. As you can see, December 5th, we had the search queries over here and we click the X. So far, this is already deleted. This is the way you can actually go about simply deleting individual posts. It's slow. I understand this is slow, but if you just have a couple of recent posts that you want to delete as a search queries, this is probably the way to go about it. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.